hope I got OG in my. Don't even surprise me. I don't even want to back shit this off to the good. Can't even say I didn't know you would. Make a little money, get it from the road. Bring that shit back to the hood. Anytime you see me, man, I'm on the grind. Nigga wasn't working when you knew you should. Now you talk about me when I'm on the road. And when I ride by, I'm in the newest one. I got so much money, I think I should pay for all this. They ain't down to spend how much they say, cause they ain't ballin'. I got so much paper, I just spend it like it's nothing. Cause they just bluffing. I got so much money, I think I should pay for all this. They ain't down to spend how much they say, cause they ain't ballin'. I got so much paper, I just spend it like it's nothing. Ain't no way they spend how much they say, cause they just bluffing. I got so much big money, even larger crib. No, I ain't just stuntin'. That's how I'm supposed to live. I move fast paced, so I drive faster cars. Take a look outside, those are really ours. And we really stars, we all travel safe and go really far. In that custom paint and that suede floor. In that California, that's really hard. In that California, that's what we on. Smell that strong, you know I'm baked. Chances, dog, that's what we take. How much you hate? Roll up one, that's what we face. A lot of y'all claim that you real, gon' show fake. But that shit don't mean a thing, cause that's to be on my grind. And stacking all of this shit. I got so much money, I think I should pay for all this. I ain't got nothing on it. They ain't got nothing on you. I swear them hoes ain't got nothing on you. That nigga Becky ain't got nothing for you. I swear these hoes ain't got nothing on you. I fall with you cause you're very loyal. And you so fine you make my blood boil. I have to go and get another lawyer. She took the charge, they ain't got nothing on her. I swear to God, they ain't got nothing on her. We in the airport, she got something on her. We ball out in the mall in California. We might just pull up in Twin Californias. Wow, they ain't got nothing on her. Wow, damn. They ain't got nothing on her. They ain't got nothing on ya. They ain't got nothing on ya. Hoes ain't got nothing on ya. They ain't got nothing on ya. I think that shit just paranoia. I think I'm paranoid. She think I'm with another woman. Another woman that gon' keep me coming. She ain't gon' keep me coming. These hoes ain't got nothing on ya. It's nothing, claim me off, but they bluffing. Come home and I hit it hard and she give me head, that's concussion. I'm stuntin', OG Kush, but I'm puffin'. In the club, you know me, I spend it all, and my homies gon' do the bussin'. Got $250,000 to spend, just came home from tour and I crushed it. Just bought my wife a pair of glass shoes, cause her ass thick as a pumpkin. They ain't got nothing on her, she don't want no other nigga, she fucking with the stoner. And if I'm up in this bitch, then I'm probably with the owner. Hella bottles, hella marijuana, anything you want, my niggas got it. We got liquor, we got mollies, we got bitches trying to ride, taking pictures. We just standing on the couches, they could try, but they ain't got nothing on it. They ain't got nothing on it. They ain't got nothing on it. Hoes ain't got nothing on it. I think that shit just paranoid. She think I'm with another one. Another one and they gon' keep me coming. She ain't gon' keep me coming. These hoes ain't got nothing on her. I fuck with Shawty cause she very low. We can tie the night like Myth and Toya. I won't ignore you when I want the push. Let's have two good twins, call them Rose and Porsche. I respect that girl, I accept that girl. I do anything I can to protect that girl. If I could do it all again, would've kept that girl. But I'm unhealthy for you, baby, I fuck up your world. You look like a little girl, but you's a grown lady. And I don't see it like you see it, cause we not related. We got baited at my spot, I swear we so wasted. After the shot shot up with Sean, I swear didn't even taste it. They ain't got nothing on it. Wow, damn, damn. They ain't got nothing on you. 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 Hoes ain't got nothing on you. They ain't got nothing on you. I think that shit just paranoia. I think I'm paranoid. She think I'm with another one. They gon' keep me
Probably
coming.
up to a quarter mile at the moment.
These hoes ain't got nothing on you.
Okay, so I've now been walking for 3.5 minutes. Song has ended, and I can still hear it plain as day. I'm heading back.